For the fashionable, high-end connoisseur and those who aspire to be, the Shops at Crystals is the ultimate luxury shopping experience. Crystals features 42 boutiques with 23 unique to Vegas brands, including Dolce & Gabbana, Tom Ford, Harry Winston, Lanvin, Saint Laurent, Brunello Cucinelli, Roberto Cavalli, Miu Miu, Donna Karan, Paul Smith, and Stella McCartney. Shop oversized stores from brands like Louis Vuitton, Prada, Gucci, Zegna, Tiffany & Company, Dior, Cartier, Balenciaga, Bottega Veneta, Bulgari, Fendi, and Hermes. Crystals also features remarkable dining options like Mastro's Ocean Club, Eva Longoria's She, Social House, and cuisine from celebrity chefs such as Wolfgang Puck and Todd English. The Shops at Crystals, a one-of-a-kind collection of shopping, dining, and nightlife.